nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have some tomato salad which I make earlier, and I want to just add it to this mixed leaf so I don't waste nothing. So all I'm going to do is just simply add it to it like this. And we're gonna add a few more ingredients to this salad. Alright, I'm gonna put some white onion, and we have some cucumber. Beautiful. So we had about half a cucumber on it, just like this. Now we're going to put some dry chili, and some pepper. Lovely. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil. If you have any more salad, you can always add it to it, guys. You got, you know what I mean. Gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, roughly about half of a lemon juice, because you got some garlic with the lovely. Now we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, because the garlic and tomato salad is really lovely. So basically, let's use a hand and just rub it in like this. That's just beautiful and nice. Alright, now we're gonna just simply flip my container if I want to serve it. Lovely. So you just fold it in, simple. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. That is a fantastic salad. Look at that. So basically, you don't need to waste nothing. Alright? So guys, you can always save money at home. You know what I mean? You don't need to waste